Hello, and in this video, we are going to learn how to remove decimals in Excel. So for example, I have this list of transaction amount here. I just want to keep 43 and I want to remove all the decimals after that. Alright, so how do we do that? Well, just use the trunc function. So equal trunc. Okay, basically it keeps the whole number, but it removes all the decimals. Alright, so trunc. The number is 83, okay? And then for the number of digits, then we need to specify how many decimals that we want to keep. In this case, I don't want to keep any decimal. I want to remove all the decimals. So I'm going to press 0 and then close bracket and then hit enter. Okay. Now, in case you want to keep the first two decimals, then just go to the formula again and put 2 instead of 0. Okay, and now it will be keeping the two decimals. So I hope you found this video useful. That's it for now. Happy learning and see you in the next video.